Izinkulungwane zezisebenzi zibuthane enkundleni yezemidlalo ePolokwane eLimpopo ukuzobungaza usuku lwezisebenzi. Kodwa-ke imigubho yalolu suku ibigujazelwe izinkinga eziningi ezibhekene neNingizimu Afrika. Isibalo sabantu abangasebenzi kuleli sihlezi ku-32%, kanti iningi labo abantu abasha. Inyunyana yezisebenzi ithi lokhu sekumele kuthathwe njengenhlekelele kuleli zwe.
Our unemployment must be treated as a national emergency, like we did, Deputy President, when we were dealing with COVID-19. We believe as this federation that the issue of unemployment, the issue of young people that are not in employment must be treated as a national emergency.
Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile lithe siyezwakala isikhalo sezisebenzi.
Basebenzi bayala. Kamo, we have to respond to the cry of the workers to ensure that they too must benefit from this democracy they fought for.
ICOSATU igxeke kakhulu izinkampani ezidiliza izisebenzi nakuba ziyibona ingwadla ebhekene nezwe.
We must therefore condemn those employers, both in the private and in the public sectors, who see nothing wrong with retrenching workers in this economy of ours.
Lo mcimbi ubuhanjelwe izisebenzi ezibuye emkhakheni ehlukene. Ziphawulile ke ngeinkinga ezibhekene nazo eindaweni zokusebenza.
First of all, people are being undermined by their superiors. Sometimes some of the posts that are being sold to other people.
Each nurse, according to the ratio, I have to care for 4 patients, but I care more than that. And then the salaries that we are getting are less. We are not satisfied with that.
Kusenjalo amakhulu abantu abuthane enkundleni yezemidlalo eMbekweni esifundazweni eWestern Cape azobungaza usuku lwezisebenzi.
As SANCO, we are saying to you, the workers, your struggles are our struggles. Before you go to work, you are a resident. Hence, we are supporting you in every endeavor for the betterment of your working conditions.
Lolu suku lubungazwa minyaka yonke emhlabeni jikelele ngenhloso yokuhlonipha umsebenzi owenziwa izisebenzi kanye nokuqhakambisa amalungelo ezisebenzi.